Hey there, friend. Let's chat about the Microsoft Authenticator app, and as a senior cloud architect, you are in for some valuable insights. It's more than just an app, it's a security powerhouse that simplifies the way we protect our digital world. The cool thing about MFA is, not only does it ask for a standard password, but it often gives you a one-time code or gets a notification on your phone to confirm it's really you trying to access information. It's like sending your accountant to double-check your signature when you sign a major contract, not the most fun, but gives peace of mind, right? The Microsoft Authenticator has a nifty way to work through all this, though. Imagine going into a secure office building where, after entering the right password, you need a special access card or maybe even your face recognized to get in the door. The Authenticator uses something similar with MFA to protect your access to Microsoft services and data centers, making sure only the correct person is making the moves. So, how about us cloud folks? We often handle the company's sensitive data or manage big infrastructure that's accessed remotely. This app steps up to ensure that our clients' and customers' data remain safe. Imagine, if someone unauthorized wants to snoop on our servers, our app will make sure they don't just crack a password but have to go through a mini security checkpoint before they even see user data or network changes. Oh, and just because it's so zero undated, this app helps make processes a little faster too. Say goodbye to fumbling with security keys or remembering complex passphrases. With the Authenticator, all you get is to tap or say a fingerprint and you are on your way, or just check your phone and there you go, authenticated and running with the good stuff. Another cool facet is customizability without compromising on security. You have options for codes, notifications, and yes, even biometrics if your hardware supports it. Imagine a world where your unique fingerprint can unlock your data as easily as your front door. But for this, it all happens digitally with a tap or a scan, making sure nothing else can replicate it without you. When integrating with enterprise services, the Authenticator has got its act together. It works hand in glove with Azure Active Directory, Azure services like Azure Key Vault, and even third-party APIs you might need. So, if you are an IT jockey ensuring secure integrations or managing complex access policies, the Authenticator is your secret weapon to manage secure access in real time, across all services and environments where Azure AD holds sway. But wait, there's more. Not only is it secure and efficient, but the experience is super intuitive. It learns your routine, and if you are always at your desk at a certain time, the notification won't interrupt you, especially during that big presentation. And when you are on the go or can't do a notification pop, it's ready with that OTP that's there on your digital keychain. Ever heard of something called privilege escalation in IT? This app plays it safe, meaning it won't let those privileges climb unless it's totally clear that's who's logging in. It ensures granular control over who has access to what and when. Like a bank with safes for different levels of VIPs, the Authenticator keeps a ledger with each access and logs all entries for a quick review by IT to keep the integrity of the system checked. It's pretty hard to ignore the benefits that come with integrating the Microsoft Authenticator, especially for anyone in my field dealing with so much data and the need to keep it safe. It's not just about keeping our data out of the hands of cyber ninjas. It's also about enabling those with the right to touch it without the hassle of remembering a maze of passwords or keys. Imagine a secure digital handstand, only when you take a solid leap of faith into MFA. That's where the Microsoft Authenticator shows its strength. helping us balance the need for accessibility with the need for security without falling. So, when we talk about the Microsoft Authenticator app, it's not just a piece of tech. It's a guardian of the digital realm, a silent partner in the ongoing quest to keep data secure, and as senior architects, our role is to weave this technology elegantly into the fabric of our IT landscape. Okay, time to wrap this up. If you are looking to deep dive into the Microsoft Authenticator and see how it ties into a senior cloud architect's role, why not follow along for a more in-depth journey? Visit neeraj.zip.io and subscribe to TechLab. Cheers to secure access, my friend.